There has been a times when people used to be amazed by the information we provide, but in this internet era where everything is readily and easily accessible, it is actually somewhere diminishing. Still, there are some unbelievable things happening all around us that still sounds the unbelievable. So today we're gonna see the 6 unbelievable claims that sounds so untrue. Hey guys, I'm Ishan and you're watching a Rebound Box, signing in. Number 6. If you try to picture mammoths, chances are that you are actually picturing a prehistoric time period, possibly with some dinosaurs in the backdrop. We think of mammoth as long extinct, even if we know that they came in contact with early humans. Those humans are always imagined as early hunter-gatherers fighting with primitive weapons. In reality, mammoths were around for much longer than you think and may even have crossed paths with some of our early great civilizations. While it is true that these creatures used to roam the entirety of the earth some 10,000 years ago, they were eventually restricted to a small region in Siberia and the Arctic. The last mammoth died sometime around 1650 BC on Wrangel Island. For perspective, that was approximately 1000 years after the construction of the pyramids of Giza and only 100 years before the establishment of the best known phase of the ancient Egyptian empire. Number 5. If you ever played cards, you know the importance of shuffling. Whether you've been getting a bad hand throughout the game or you just don't trust your friends, you need to shuffle the deck to be sure. If you're one of those people, and I'm pretty sure you are one of them, you'll be surprised to know that you don't need to shuffle that cards that well. There's a good chance that no one in history has ever had the combination that you will get on your first shuffle. Anyone in history is still comparatively high probability. If you did the calculations, a deck of cards can have more combinations than there are atoms on Earth. The possible number of combination in a deck of cards is 52 factorial, which is huge in numbers. That's not just more than the number of atoms on Earth, but also more than the number of seconds elapsed since the creation of the universe. Number 4. When you think of the largest militaries in the world, you envision countries like the United States, China, Russia, and India. Although that's largely correct, some private contractors and mercenaries are quite up there on the list. Some of them, like G4S, have more personnel than the militaries of countries like Britain and France. However, one private force in recent times trumps them all, that is the Pepsi. In 1989, Pepsi found itself in possession of 17 Russian submarines, a cruiser, a frigate, and a destroyer. Due to Russians' newfound love for the beverages, the company exchanged 3 billion worth of Pepsi for a big chunk of one of the largest fleets in the world. It made Pepsi the 6th largest force in the world. Thankfully for us all that it didn't tempt them to join the burgeoning and profitable private military industry. Pepsi eventually sold it all for a scrap to a Swedish company. Moving on to our next list. Nobody in the world likes vomiting. Even though it's the body's natural mechanism for expelling harmful substances, we hate it a bit less if we knew that it's just the body trying to protect ourselves from irresponsible eating habits, even if it's not always successful. The same thing happens in the animal kingdom, as most other creatures have the same mechanism except for frogs. When frogs have to vomit, they don't bother with puking and hoping everything comes out. They just eject their whole stomach, clean any remaining bits with their hands, and put it back in. Some other animals like sharks can do it too, though it only in the times of distress or when they had an especially bad breakfast. Number 2. The ocean is a big bad place. Most of us realize that the underwater creatures we know about are only the tip of the iceberg. True horror starts when you really explore the depths, as we don't even know the full extent of diversity in the deep sea. From gigantic squids to eels, right from your worst nightmares, it is an ancient part of the ocean that no one honestly wants to fully investigate. No matter how old these animals are though, they still don't compare to the most popular creature in the seas, sharks. You don't have to venture too deep to find them either. Just hang out in the shady parts of the sea and they will come to you. Sharks are essentially living fossils and have been virtually unchanged for a long time. And by long, we do mean long. Sharks predate most life on Earth, including trees. Yep, sharks around are 400 million years old and have been the same since before plants figured out that growing tall is the best course of action some 350 million years ago. But hey guys, we finally came to our number 1 of this list, so have a guess, and until then don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Number 1. There's some variation of this myth going around in a lot of cultures around the world. If a body part is cut off due to an accident, you can just put it back and the body will accept it like nothing ever happened. Some people believe it works on fingers and some says toes. According to science though, it's ridiculous to think that they can just reattach any parts of the body, at least without any medical help. With one exception, teeth. If you ever find yourself on the playground and happen to knock out a teeth, you can just put it back as long as it's perfectly placed. The socket will form roots on its own and eventually it will be like it was before the injury. Dentists do the same thing if you take a tooth to them. They just put it in place with some sorts of binders, after which you can just go home and let it do its thing. Now there are some conditions to it. The tooth shouldn't be chipped in other places as that would take further dental procedures to fix. It also has to be kept moist when it's knocked out. Letting it dry out will damage the nerves and reduce its chances of reattachment. Congrats on coming this far. We assume you loved our video. For more such videos, don't forget to click on subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll be back with another video. Until then, have fun, take care, and sign.